wished I would have had my camera going because Mama and a fawn ran out in front of me. Luckily, I was going slow. It's just 40 through here, but isn't it pretty? Look at all these rocks. This is a part of Tenkiller I have never been to, and it is really pretty. So I come to the YouTube meetup, and it was so fun. I got to see so many people, and now I'm heading home, and I guess I'm going into flood warnings. So I guess the farm's getting some good rain, which is much needed. But anyway, it's really pretty through here. Really pretty. I'm at Tenkiller Lake in Oklahoma, and just to name a few of the channels, Charles from Fallen Arkansas Veterans was there. Not for Nothing Homestead and Joe Fix It For You, and they are going to go home and give their daughter Megan a hug for me. And then there was two old people on the couch, Mark and Deb. Then there was Come On Homesteading with David, Simple Life Reclaimed, and Country Road Cures. Mom was there, and she's super awesome. Mark and Deb, two old people on a couch. Tish and, oh my gosh, I just forgot his name. Anyway, they do the Bible study with Christine at Mrs. Gillum's Farms. And I know their channel. My mind just went blank, but I'm also paying attention to the road too. Goodness, the Rebel at Heart, Kelly, her husband, then Our Mountain Home, used to be Altruistic Homestead, and then, oh my goodness, Jan at Simply Jan Homestead, Tony and Angie at Our Cabin in the Woods, Pooh, Full Blown Country, and Monica and her husband from Bland's Promised Land Ranch. Turn left. That's my GPS trying to take me home. And then I would say there's Dale and Nana at 9 Acre Family Farm, and then Nana has a channel of her own. Oh, that was cool. Turn left. I hope you saw that. That's really pretty. Turn left. Oh, right here. This is a blue top. I hope I'm going home. This is really weird. So, gotta pay attention to where I'm at. I've never been this route. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that creek with the rocks. Oh, it's so pretty through here. Oklahoma does have some gorgeous areas. I'm just trying to get to Interstate 40 to head home that way instead of going back to Tulsa and all that. Wow, this is pretty. I'm just driving a little bit slow. I'm about 35 because the deer ran out in front of me, and I don't want to hit one of them dudes. Anyway, there was Jesse and Lisa at Lazy Days Ahead, Butler Family Farm, Christine Gillum Farm, no, Mrs. Gillum Farms, sorry, and Johnny at Gillum Farms. I just really enjoyed this meetup. I mean, really, there's a lot more. I know I'm forgetting a bunch of them, but you'll get to see pictures, and I'm going to add a bunch of pictures and probably do a couple videos. But I didn't go live because there was a lot of people live, and I don't have much space on my phone, and I don't have the internet hooked up to my iPad, so I can't go live on that. But and MT Home Homestead, Mike and Terry. I mean, these people, everybody there are our friends. We had so much fun. It was just an amazing day. And I'll just ask that you keep Charles, Fallen Arkansas Veterans, in your prayer. He is amazing, and he's battling cancer. So I'm asking you guys just to keep him in your prayers. He's incredible. But it's flashing at me. I don't have much space left on here, so I'll probably just go ahead and end this because I don't have very much space on this card. And the battery is actually low as well. And I wished I would have got more video because it was a great time. Look at that view. Ah, gorgeous. Gorgeous view. I love the hills and the mountains. So pretty. Look ahead. Look at that. Eastern Oklahoma is beautiful. Last time I was in Eastern Oklahoma was to go meet Okie Rob. It was nice to get away. It really was nice to get away. Oh, this drive is incredible. I do feel like turning on the 80s music and cranking that up and making my trip home, but I kind of want to share this with you because it's so pretty. I like Tenkiller Lake. For many years I went there, got my scuba certifications there. Oh, you can hear them katydids, crickets. Gosh, there were so many channels there. I know I'm forgetting a bunch of them, and if I forgot you, it's not because I'm just old and forgetful. And there are some new channels there. Like, there are new people that I haven't met before. Now, I did get some stickers. Got me some stickers. But anyway, I will talk to y'all later. Or I guess I could just let it go until it dies. So I have no trouble talking. Ooh, I'm gonna watch what I'm doing. I saw a big old garden over there. And I am a rubbernecker when it comes to gardening. I see a garden and I'm like, oh, what do they got? What are they growing? Let's check out their garden. 75 degrees. It's not too hot. I had the best time today. Look at all these trees. So pretty. I wished I'd have had the camera going when those deer came out, because she ran, the mom ran, and then the baby was actually waiting, and I slowed way. She ran out and crossed, and then they ran back. Look at that barn. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Yeah, I like to look at the old barns too. Alright, so I'm up here. Oh, there's another car. She's probably just looking over.
Turn left.
Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. That's a pretty. It's all rock. Okay, turn left. I hope I'm going the right way. That's beautiful. This is supposed to be getting me to Interstate 40 so I can head home. Wow. watching. Everybody said to tell you hi. They love you and miss you. And I guess Bland's Promised Land Ranch, they live close to you. So they know. Oh, look at that old place. Oh, I bet that could tell some stories. That is so cool. So anyway, they live close to you. I told them they need to meet you.